Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of my new Pixel 7 Pro and the charger, of course, that I bought along with it. Now inside the box, of course, it just comes right off and you're shown the first thing is the phone. And this phone is great. I got it in a black color. I think it looks very nice and it also comes covered as well. So also inside the box you get their little USB to USB-C adapter with their manual and their charging wire, and this one seems to be pretty decently long, so that's pretty nice as well. And of course you do have to buy the charger separate, so let me put the phone aside. And the charger box is just the same, it just kind of slides out, and the charger is just a 30 watt. Sadly it's nothing like 50 watts or anything, but the Google Pixel 7 Pro doesn't support that, unfortunately. And it's just wrapped in this little plastic cover. Unfortunately, I didn't get the new Google Pixel Buds, but from what I'm hearing, they're just okay, so it's not like I missed out on anything. So the first thing I want to do, now that I have everything unboxed, is I want to go ahead and do the peel of the phone. Let me get up to the camera for you guys. Very nice peel, very nice peel. So let's see if we can boot it up real quick. Alright, and we're in. So I'm actually upgrading from my Samsung S21 Ultra. It's been doing pretty well for the past 2 years, but I felt like the 7 Pro is what I wanted to upgrade to because the 6 Pro wasn't that much of an upgrade for me. In my opinion, the 7 Pro is a decently sized upgrade for me coming from an S21 Ultra. So this display looks very nice already. I mean, these are just my initial thoughts. The viewing angles are pretty good. The white is pretty nice. The color saturation on the Google logo is pretty good. And we're just in the boot up session, so I'll get ahead and do that real quick. But let me know what you guys think about the Pixel 7 Pro in the comments down below, and whether or not you're interested in buying it as well. I'll be having a few videos on this phone, like a review video, an initial thoughts video, and a case video coming out in the near future, so feel free to subscribe if you're interested in seeing any of those. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.